Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This session is about robotics for part 1 of IELTS speaking test. My subsequent parts will also be uploaded following this one. Alright, without further ado, let's jump right into it. When the examiner asks you, will robots replace human beings completely in the workplace? Then your answer could be, well, these days human labor is being marginalized by automation in the workplace, especially in manufacturing. In fact, labor intensive tasks can be done by machines with ease and precision. However, there are always things that require the delicate touch of a human hand. For instance, a handmade shirt always has more soul than a machine made one. That's it. Your answer is good enough. Alright, now let's look at the screen. What we have spoken so far included here. You can practice these answers and thereafter you can prepare your answers in your own style. Thank you for being with me till the end. Good luck.